Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. So today we'll be doing a project called Light Chaser where a multiple LED glow at once and make different patterns. So the components required are Arduino Uno, few LEDs, jumper wires and then a breadboard. So before we start the project, there are one thing I have to tell you, which is the breadboard, which has four different compartments. If you can see this, the top and the sides in these two way, these are different two compartments, and the between two are two different things. So the upper compartments in the breadboard, current flows from left to right and right to left. In the middle compartment, the current flows down to up and up to down. So that makes a difference. So let's connect the LEDs and I'll show you what I'm trying to print. You should be knowing what is the positive and negative, right? So the longer one is initially the positive one, the shorter one is initially the negative one. So once the LEDs are connected parallelly, let's take the Arduino and then first let's connect the digital pins of an LED. That's because we're trying to control the LED. Okay. So I'll take the digital pin number 2 to my first LED. If you can just see here, this is so this side would be all my positive pins and this side is all my negative pins. So the third digital pin goes to my second LED and the fourth digital pin goes to my third LED and then the fifth digital pin goes to my fourth LED. Sixth one goes to my fifth and then the seventh one would go to my sixth LED. So once the positive are connected, there one thing has to be done, which is the negative one. I'll take the ground pin from the power pin of the Arduino and I'll connect to the negative side of the LED path. So I'll upload the code right now and then let's test our LED glowing. I've coded in a way such as it shows 6 different patterns. So continuously you'll be knowing the patterns over here as well. So in the code, what happened is initially I have declared my pins, which are the pin mode 1 output. Okay, so this indicates the number of LEDs which are there. So totally around 10 are there, but I've only kept 7. You can put it around 8 or 9 if it's okay with you. And then in the loop section, so we are trying to do a for loop, which you'll be learning in C programming, which is I equals to 1, which is the starting point. I less than 10 have 10 LEDs only, and then I plus plus is like initially going forward 1 plus 1 1 plus 2 like that. So this whole thing is one pattern till here. Okay, this is for the forward and this is for the backward, and then there are, say, this is the second pattern and then the third and then the fourth and then the fifth.